Chabahar is a coastal city of Iranian Balochistan, located about 200 kilometers north of Gwadar. Its landscape is very similar to that of Gwadar. The accommodation had been arranged at a very beautiful rest house by the seaside. We rested there until ASR. After ASR, when we went out for a short walk, a very captivating view of the seashore appeared before us. We had to travel to Chabahar by air, and the flight was scheduled for 6 o'clock. We offered the Fajr prayer at Tehran's old Mehrabad airport, which is nowadays used for domestic flights.
You are watching BBG Reads for Audio, real stories and famous books reads. Keep touching with us, subscribe, like and share.
Mufti Muhammad Taqi Usmani Sahib writes in his Iran Travelogue, in the travel account of Chabahar, that the next day, before Fajr, we departed from the hotel. We had to travel to Chabahar by air, and the flight was scheduled for 6 o'clock. We offered the Fajr prayer at Tehran's old Mehrabad airport, which is nowadays used for domestic flights. The aircraft departed with a delay of 1.5 hours, and after a 1-hour flight, it landed at Bandar Abbas airport. This is a well-known coastal city of Iran's Hormozgan province, where along with Shia Muslims, a large number of Shafi'i Muslims also reside. From here, after a further flight of 50 minutes, we landed at Chabahar airport. There is a large religious seminary in Chabahar, whose founder and principal, Maulana Abdul Rahman Mullazai Sahib, is a graduate of Karachi's old religious institution, Mizar-ul-Ulum Qadar. By the grace of Allah, he has spread the fragrance of religious knowledge throughout this entire region. That day was the seminary's annual gathering and certificate distribution ceremony, in which we were to participate. At the airport, Maulana Abdul Rahman Sahib, his colleagues, and among the Shia scholars, the local Imam Jumu'ah and the city commissioner welcomed us, right at the aircraft stairs. When we came out of the airport, a huge crowd of scholars, students, and common people was waiting in the form of double rows. Among them were many scholars who had studied at our Darul Uloom years ago and, upon hearing of my arrival, had travelled hundreds of miles to reach here. A considerable amount of time was spent just in shaking hands with these people. Since the aircraft had arrived 1.5 hours late, we went straight from the airport to the seminary's gathering venue. It was a magnificent mosque whose vast hall was packed with attendees. Many of the seminary's teachers are graduates of our Darul Uloom Karachi. Several interesting programs were presented by them. The area commissioner and deputy commissioner also delivered speeches. And finally, I gave my address. After that, the turban tying ceremony of the graduating students took place. After the gathering, prayers, and meal, around 3 o'clock it was time to go to the place of stay. The accommodation had been arranged at a very beautiful rest house by the seaside. We rested there until ASR. After ASR, when we went out for a short walk, a very captivating view of the seashore appeared before us. Chabahar is a coastal city of Iranian Balochistan, located about 200 kilometers north of Gwadar. Its landscape is very similar to that of Gwadar. However, at present, Chabahar is relatively more developed than Gwadar. The Iranian government has declared it a free port, and due to this, it has become a good commercial hub. Accordingly, the buildings, roads, and shops are quite modern. The sky was overcast, and gentle breezes were refreshing the heart and mind. This short walk along the sea revived the tired body with new energy. After Maghrib, there was a large gathering of scholars at the seminary. In the surrounding areas, there is an extensive network of religious seminaries and schools, from where scholars had arrived here. Among them was a large number of graduates of our Darul Uloom Karachi. Until Isha, addresses were delivered to these respected scholars. Maulana Muhammad Qasim Sahib translated my speech into Persian. After Isha, a local businessman had arranged a grand dinner. Due to the hustle and bustle of the gatherings, it had not yet been possible to meet old friends with ease. During this dinner, pleasant meetings with them continued late into the night. The next morning, we had to go to Zahedan by a 10 o'clock flight, but before that, another short program took place. About 10 kilometers from Chabahar airport, there is another coastal town called Konarak. Here, one of our Darul Uloom's graduates, Maulana Abdul Malik Sahib, has established a religious seminary and has begun the construction of a grand mosque. He wished that I should lay the foundation stone of this mosque. Therefore, before going to the airport, we went to Konarak and had the honor of inaugurating the construction of the mosque. Here too, there was a very large gathering of friends. Everyone prayed together, and after that, we departed towards the airport.